Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology paper 3 for February-March 2025. You have been supplied with the following source files. I have the source files copied here. You will create a web page for Tavara construction. So we are going to create a web page. Task 1, evidence document. Create a new word process document. We need to prepare the evidence document with your name, center number, candidate number, which will appear on every page. And you need to save this as M25 evidence, followed by your center number and candidate number. So open a new Word document. Insert header. You can give your name, center number and candidate number so that it will appear on every page. Close the header. Let's save this. Inside your working folder, it should be saved as M25 evidence followed by your center number and candidate number. File management. Create a new folder called Plaster. Locate only the following files and store them in your Plaster folder. So you have 6 files here. We need to store them in the Plaster folder. So this is my working folder. I'll create a new folder here called Plaster. Now we have to copy these 6 files into this folder. So you can move this into the folder. So this is our required folder. Display the contents of your Plaster folder showing folder name, all file name, extensions, frame height, width and image dimensions. In order to show all the details, just right click, view, content. So this will show all the dimensions, frame height, frame width, the type, size, all the details. You can take the screenshot now. This is your step 1 evidence. Now we can start the web page. Create in your Plaster folder web page called M25 Plaster. So I'm going to use Microsoft Web Expression. Open a new file, HTML. Now you need to save this as M25 Plaster. So file save as, save inside your working folder inside the Plaster folder. So the name is M25 Plaster. Save. The web page must be created using a single table and work in all browsers. The table must be center aligned and fit 95% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. So the width is 95%. So this is the table. You can see there are 4 columns, individually 4 columns and 3 rows. So let's create the table. Go to table, insert table, 3 rows and 4 columns. Set the width of the window to 95%. Give OK. Now let's create the table, the structure of the table this way. You can see In the first row, all the cells are merged. So let's select all the cells, right click, modify, merge cells. And here in the second row, 2 cells are merged. Modify, merge cells. Let's give the letter as given in the question so that it's easy to identify the cells. Table and cell borders must appear on the final page, and you need to make sure it is center aligned. We can do that in the style sheet later. Place in cell A the image M25 logo.jpg in cell A. So you can remove this letter and then insert picture. M25 logo. You can give the alternate text as logo. Company logo. So alternate text is used if the picture does not load, it will be shown instead of the image. So the image is inserted. Set the width of this image to 100% of the cell size. So go to picture properties, appearance, you can give the width to 100%. Next, place in cell B video and source tags to display M25 plaster.mp4. Make sure the controls are visible and the video loops when played. So in cell B, so this is cell B, go to the code. For the video, we have to insert the code. So here at this place, we need to insert the code. So remove that B. You can just press enter to make space to write the code. So first we will add the video tag. You can see the closing tag will be there. You can just bring it down. Now in between the video tag, you have to add the source tag. Now in source, we should set the name of the video, that is SRC, equal to the name of the video, M25 plaster.mp4. Also, we need to set the type of the video. So type equal to video/mp4. Now you should go to the video tag to set the controls. So you need to set the controls. Make sure that the controls are visible and the video loops when played. So controls will show all the play button, pause button, etc. So for that we need to add the keyword controls, and in order to loop, give a space and give loop. After this, between the video tag, you have to give an error message, text-based error message, if the browser does not support this video tag. So you can type here, your browser does not support this video. So if the video does not load, this error message will be shown. So this is the code of the video. Place in cell C the text from the file m25 text.txt. M25 text. Copy the data. should be in cell C, and apply the paragraph style. So in cell C, you can remove the letter, paste the text there. It should be paragraph style. So go to the style options here and set it to paragraph P. Enter in cell D the text specialist plastering. So here we have to enter specialist plastering. Other construction in E. Contact us in cell F. And in cell G, we have to enter the text edited by followed by a space, then your name, sender number, and candidate number. Give a space, then your name, sender number, candidate number. Apply the style H2 to all these text. So style H2. Make the text specialist plastering a link to open the web page m25 spec.html in a new window called blank. So specialist plastering selected, right click, hyperlink. It should link to an existing page. So select existing file or web page and m25 spec. It should link to m25 spec and it should open in a new window called blank. So go to target frame. You can select new window, blank. Give OK. Make the text other construction a link to open the web page and 25 this page. So other construction, you can right click, again hyperlink. It should be linked to this page, m25 construction. Give OK. The text contact us link to email editor to prepare an email to this email ID. You can copy. You need to type the email ID here. So select contact us, right click, hyperlink. So for email editor, you have to select email address. Now enter your email address here. And the subject line is more information, please. So you can type the subject line here. Okay. You will create a new external style sheet for the website. Create a new style sheet to meet the following specifications. So go to File, New. For the style sheet, you will choose CSS. Place a command at the start of the style sheet to contain your name, sender number, and candidate number. So in order to write, the format of command is /*. Give your name, sender number, candidate number, then give a space, */. So this is the format of writing a command. Set a style for tables so that they are center aligned in the browser window. So go to Format, New Style. The style should be table. We are going to set the table to be center aligned. Go to Table, and in order to set a table to be center aligned, both the margins from left and right should be set to automatic. So go to Box. You will see margin here. Only left and right you need to set. So set the right margin to auto and left margin also set to auto. so that the table will be aligned to the center. Give OK. So this is the code for aligning table to the center. Next, set the table and cell borders so that they are white, visible and 2 pixels wide. So this has to be set for the table as well as the table borders. So when you need to set it for both table and the borders, table borders, cell borders, you have to add the style TD also. TD stands for table data, which is applicable for all the cells. So go to format, again new style. So you will give table, comma TD. So the border settings will be applicable for whole table as well as the cells. Now go to border. The border style, you can set it as solid. The border width is 2 pixel and border color is white. White, visible and 2 pixels. So give OK. So the settings for the style sheet are done. Save this as an external cascading style sheet in your plaster folder with the file name M25 plaster 2. So let's save this inside your folder, inside the plaster folder, M25 plaster 2 followed by your center number and candidate number. Take a screenshot to show the file name and all the contents of your style sheet. Place this in your evidence document. So this is the evidence document. Step 8 evidence. Step 8 evidence. Make sure the file name is also visible while you take the screenshot. Attach the style sheet m25plaster.css to the web page created in step 2. So this is the web page we created. Let's attach the style sheet. You can see attach style sheet here. If you don't find it, you can go to format, CSS styles, attach style sheet. So click on attach style sheet, browse your folder. This is the given style sheet. Give OK. So the style is applied. Attach the style sheet saved in step 8 to the web page so that it has higher priority than this. You can click on attach style sheet again. Select your style sheet. So the style sheet which you add later will always have the higher priority. So give OK here. Save your web page, take a copy of your HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So save HTML source, go to code, you can copy. Step 10 evidence. So I have pasted the code. Display your web page in a browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, all the address bar is visible. Take a screenshot showing your web page. So this is the file. You can open it in the browser. Let's resize the window. So this is the required page. The complete page is visible. Take a screenshot as required, showing the web page in the browser, and all the text can be easily read. All the page is seen and the address bar is visible. So take a screenshot. So after the code, you can paste the screenshot of the page. So this is the end of the web page task. Next task is spreadsheet. It will be done in another video. The link will be provided in the description once it's uploaded. Thank you for now.